Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, I am going to introduce you to a new model which is called as RexSeek. RexSeek is a multimodal large language model which has been designed to detect people or objects in images based on natural language descriptions. Unlike traditional referring models that focus on single instance detection, RexSeek excels at multi-instance referring tasks. It identifies multiple people or objects that match a given description. So not only this RexSeek can identify people, but also can put names on them. So we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works. Before that, let me also give a huge shout out to Master Compute who are sponsoring this VM and this GPU. For this video, if you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description with a discount coupon of 50%. Let me first create a virtual environment with Conda. Now let's install its GitHub repo after cloning it. So let me clone this and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Next up, let's install Torch and all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. And this is going to take a bit of a time, so let's wait. And meanwhile, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. All the prerequisites are done. Next up, we need to make sure that we have this Hugging Face hub installed. It's already there, so I would log in there with Hugging Face CLI because we need to download the model, and you would also need to get a read token from your profile in Hugging Face, which is free. So let me paste my token here, and you can see that I am logged in here. Okay, so Hugging Face is ready. Next up, we need to download the model. For that, make sure that you have git lfs installed, and then you can simply download it with git clone command. Let's wait for it. And the model has been downloaded. Let me clear the screen. Now the interesting bit about this project is that it consists of three key components. The first one is vision encoder, so it uses a dual resolution feature, and then it uses a person detector, and that is a key thing, which is DenoX, and we will also see it shortly when we run its Gradio demo. And then it also uses a language model behind the scene, which is Quen 2.5 from Alibaba, which is one of the best small language model out there for understanding complex expressions, and it uses it to understand the objects in the image. So there could be an input image or text, and then you can even provide some of the bounding boxes because DynoX also supports that. Now in order to download that, all you need to do is to just go to the demos directory and then simply do this git clone. So we are just downloading that grounding dyno here, and then you just need to go into that grounding dyno, and from there we need to install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo, and that is going to take few minutes. And then we need to download the weights of this grounding dyno, so just create a new directory called as weights here, and then you can simply download the weights from this URL, which you can find from their repo. That is also done. Let's go back to our root of the repo. I'll just go one step ahead. Okay, so everything is ready. Now let's launch our Gradio demo here. And in order to do that, from the root of the repo, just run this command Gradio demo, and it is going to launch it in our at our local host. So let me run this, and there you go. It is running locally at the moment. So you can see that there are two options here. So you can go with prompt free, so that model will detect whatever you provide the image, or you could also ask it to pinpoint and detect something very specific. So let me show you both. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select an image from my local system here. So I'll just go to home images and I'm going to select one of the images from my local system. So maybe I'll just go, I'm just looking for an image which will be um, better suited for this. Let me search for an image. Okay, maybe I will just go with this one. So this is the image, and first I'm just going to go prompt free. So let's run it. And there you go. So it has detected everything in the image, like it says face, accessory, and all that stuff. If you hover over it, it says the face of a woman, and then a woman in a wedding dress, the whole. Maybe I'll just go to this point, arm of a woman, and then this is a category. Look, this is the eye of a man, so it has differentiated very correctly. You can also hover over these tags which it has created here. So this is good. This is a tie. So let me now try out with something called as uh, text prompt. So I'm just going to select the text prompt. I'll just say maybe tie here. Let's run it. Let's wait for it to detect the tie, hopefully. It's fairly quick. There you go. There you go. See, it has just detected the tie. So really, really good stuff. Okay, let's try out one more image. So I'm just going to select this gaze one where this woman is holding this phone. So, and I'm just going to say detect the phone. Let's see. So if you have always wondered how you get a fine in your mail for holding the phone in your car, that is how. Maybe there you go. It has correctly detected the phone and it has created a bounding box over it. How good that is. Let's see if it can detect a letter, sort of an OCR. So maybe I'll just say text prompt. I'll ask it to do maybe K here. Let's see if it is able to do that, or maybe I should have set letter K. No, I don't think so. It was able to do that. Let's say maybe sorry, letter K. Let's wait for it. Oops, it just says letter K. So it was unable to do the OCR. But anyway, maybe I'll just say cow. So there are two cows here, as you can see. Let's see. Yeah, so it can do the object detection very well, and that is the main purpose of this model. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.